When designing circuits for multiple panels, organization is key. In Capital Electra X, you may effectively manage your panels with the sub-panel symbol. To divide your circuits into sub-panels, simply drop the sub-panel symbol onto your drawing, and drag the handles to encapsulate your circuits. Instantly, the symbols within the sub-panel will be automatically renamed with a panel prefix, which you can modify later on. To name your sub-panel, simply double-click it and type away. When it's time to generate panel layout, the Generate Layout window will present a list of panels, allowing you to select only the specific layouts you need to generate. For instance, you may select the default panels or any sub-panel and generate layout quickly and effortlessly. Sign up for a 30-day free trial. Capital Electra X, designed for speed, convenience, and efficiency.